Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now let us get into the structure and function of the hair. So by knowing the structure and function of the hair, we will know where the problem is occurring and how we can prevent it, or we can cure it, or we can have a relief of this hair fall symptoms. So as you can see in the picture, this is the dermis level, and in the dermis level you will be having the root of the hair, and this is called the shaft of the hair, which will be penetrated through the epidermis layer, and this is the dermis layer. So in the dermis layer, what you can see a sebaceous gland, first thing. Second thing, you can see blood vessels, right? So if you are having any sort of problem in the quality of the blood, that can be iron deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency, all of this will reflect in the blood supply to the hair. If you are having a poor quality of blood, by improper supply, I don't mean that there will be no blood supply to the hair follicle as such, but I'm telling you, because there is low quantity of, or decreased quality of the blood, there will be not much nutrition going to the hair follicle as such. And also this part is called the bulb of the hair, and then this shaft, it has two things. See, you can see the outer one is called as cuticle part, the cortex part, and the medullary part. Okay, and the cuticle, all of this is made up of the keratin protein. So protein intake is also very important in hair fall issues. Okay, so many people feel that hair is for aesthetic purposes. Remember that the reason why we have hair on the scalp or anywhere on the body is for thermoregulation, that is to maintain a certain body temperature, which is necessary for the bodily functions. And also, not only that, the scalp hair protects the scalp as such from direct sun. Okay, if you're going out in the direct sun, if you're having hair fall, you will feel that there is a little bit of more heat generated. So in order to regulate the body, we have scalp hair or hair anywhere on the body, and also to protect the scalp from direct sun, we have this hair. So here today we are discussing about scalp hair fall, especially in women. If you are experiencing hair fall, women especially on the scalp region, and you are having some hormonal issues or any other issues, then if you want to contact us, you can do it through two processes. One is the online consultation. You can contact us through audio and video consultation. And if you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. After the doctor consultation, if you are having any sort of investigations, you can share it with us. If you need any more investigations, we will ask you to do it and share it with us. After all of this process, especially the online clients, we will be sending your medications to your doorstep. If you are staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you are staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And across the globe, anywhere, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you are experiencing hair fall and you would like to take a doctor consultation, you can call us through this number, ping us or WhatsApp us or messages on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check out our website www.fidicus.com. If you are experiencing hair fall and if you want to choose a certain cure for your hair fall, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Remember, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have 3 principles. First is, we are dealing with patients with good success rate who are experiencing hair fall because of hormonal issues or because of allopathic medication side effects. Second thing, the transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be explaining it to you, the process, the prognosis and everything. And also the personal care. If you're having any sort of myths, or if you're having any sort of, queries regarding your hair fall, we will be educating you on that as well. So the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. If you want to choose cure for your hair fall, or if you want to decrease your hair fall, try choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.